Siphinde sikubingelele kwikhaya TV2. Wena-ke uqalayo ukungena leli khasi, siyacela uba ucofe i-button subscribe khona uzohlezi uyithola iy'ndaba njengoba zinjalo. Konakele emgwaqeni yase-South Africa. Iqhwa ligcwele imigwaqo u-N3. Akuhambeki, izimoto zibambekile kulo mgwaqo. Ezinye sezize zambozeka impela. Kunabantu asebehlale kusukela izolo kuze kube yimanje basavalelekile kulo mgwaqo. Ake sizwe ukuthi kwenzakalani kulo mgwaqo.
Ya, khona u-driver esizwa lapha ngenhla kwethu ukuthi amsekho, engathi angazi noma bebanjwe i-stress namakhaza futhi, but entirely it was the stress. I think they were overthinking. Thina no, asinangane la emotweni, but nje there's so many stranded people. Abanye bahamba bodwa, and the saddest part is that abanye iy'moto zabo kade zicimile, mhlambe kusukela izolo ngabo 8 we were starting to also give up nathi. Zacima iy'moto zabo, they are freezing cold. Abanye bahamba ney'ngane, angiyazi ukuthi yona yiphi kahle kahle la imoto eney'ngane, kodwa abanye bahamba ney'ngane. Ukubone phela muthi yini futhi iyacima le moto yakhe, bonke sebe ucima ama-light, kuthiwa akhanyiswa ama-light nje ukuze kuzobonakala abantu. Benze njani? Hey, ezinye iy'moto asazi noma zicima ama-light noma seyiphelelwe ibhetri, kodwa nje i-snow kubi and sileke sinyukile. Esethu-ke sesingangemoto sivele ngokhakhayi manje, sileke sisusa-ke sisusa. Our windows are frozen, amanye kugcwele u-ayisi, into engingayazi. Le ngihlezi ngifisa ukubona i-snow, kodwa le hayi, never again do I want to see snow. Khona nje omunye umuntu omdala ngemva kwethu uhamba yedwa. We've been making sure-na-ke nathi as i-entertainment ukuthi siyaphuma siyababingelela, sithi abehlisa amawini just to see if basakhona-ke abanye. Kodwa it's bad. Abanye omunye ubhuti lela ndiya konje litheni bhuti, lithe likukoda?
Yeah, likoda empty.
Ya, abanye baphelelwe upetrol, and there's no way futhi abangawuthola ngawo upetrol because ayikho into ezohambisa upetrol mhlampe ko-Montrose. Amanye amagaraji-ke mungathi uye KZN lapha ngaku-Caltex, before wehle ngalo mgwaqo owehlayo kuthiwa imuphi lo mgwaqo onje bhuti? Lo mgwaqo owehlayo uma ushona ngale udlulela le garage la-Caltex, lo mgwaqo owehlayo kuthiwa yini? Lo ngathi uyinyokanyoka.
Ila kuhlukana khona KZN ne-Free State.
Thina siyi-Free State la.
Free State la thina.
Ya, kuthi akube yinto kanjalo.
So i-Free State is later down.
But it's bad. Sesiyahleka nje because we really have no other option. Abanye-ke bahleli bodwa emotweni, some are crying. Yo, bayakhala. I can imagine imoto icimile, uhleli wedwa, and uyabona lento yokuthi hayi vele ngiyala, awuphethe into ongibathi, awuphethe lutho because we didn't prepare for anything. Abanye bahleli nesidumbu-ke kwi-hesi. Kuningi. Nami nje umfowethu la emotweni uMasikane bekumele ayofihla. Sabantu abagcina bengaphumelelanga nje. Mina ngiyazi lento. At this point singiyasho nje ukuthi ngabe kuzophelela because yabona sonke le snow, if it starts to rain, yes sizohamba, but inkinga it will turn into water and then imoto zethu ziyafake lapho. And into engicasula kakhulu ey'ndabeni kuleke kuthiwa usizo seliphumile, abantu bayaphakelwa, ayikho lonto. Phela kuzolalelwa bona because they have access to all this media, but thina abantu abasesigamekweni yini futhi ledlula la umuntu wini?
Yeah, udriver we-truck lo.
Uphuma kude Nkosi yami. Kuningi.
So we can't continue. This says, no, what is happening? According to your understanding, why are we stuck here?
Snowing, and they say it's bad. The weather is very bad. So
Yeah.
what?
Yeah, as you can hear, Master, people are saying here, drivers here are saying that they cannot continue their journey because there is too much snow. Others are trying to turn back, but there is no way that we can turn back here. There's too much snow on the ground. People are going to Durban, in case are going to Durban, and others are congregants who are going to church, and the service is about to start, but they're still here, meaning that they might miss those services today. Let me see if I can try and speak to perhaps those people who are going to different destinations, just to get some sense from them. How is the snow affecting them as you're stuck here? All right, I can't see them. And stuck here, Nyagupi?
Yeah, it's Yes.
So, stuck for how long?
It's all around 4.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, is it because of snow or there is any reason?
Obviously, for precautions reasons, they had to close the road because it's slippery when you go down from there. So when you get here, the traffic is already stopped.
Yeah.
A few seconds ago I saw sparks fly. I just heard another tree drop. Yeah, please bear that in mind. You can see trees have dropped over there. Yeah. Can you hear the trees taking strain? I'm just gonna walk up here to show you. Yeah, a tree just dropped there. And someone's building a snowman. Hey, all this is falling over. Sure. Yeah. Yes. Sure. Thought I'd just show you what it looks like here. It's just beautiful. If you just close your eyes and imagine a photograph, that's a winter wonderland for you for 100% certain.